Hi students, it's Miss B. Today we're going to learn about writing music. When you look at the treble clef, you'll see these lines and spaces, and there is a note for each one of them. It's easier to remember with this fun rhyme. The words in the space spell the word face. The words in the line say every grizzly bear does fine. Each one of these coordinates with a key or a note on your musical instrument. We're going to go to onlinepianist.com and we're going to click on these 3 lines in the square and virtual piano. Now, many of you might know that if you find these 2 black keys together, right next to it is the letter C, the note C. But we're going to go ahead and put letter notes on there just to make it a little easier. Middle C is right here. Middle C on this would be the line. It's a line that isn't on here. It would be right down here. So if we count up, C, next space D, line E, space F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then G goes up here. We find this on our keyboard. This is middle C. So this note right here is going to be this line. If I wanted to put a note on that line, I would go ahead and draw a circle on there. I haven't decided if I want a quarter note or half note or eighth note yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it on that line for now. The next note, I'm just going to pick one randomly, A. This A would be right here. So we'll put a circle on that A, and then we'll give it a stem, maybe a flag later. Each one of these notes on this piano, from this D all the way to this G, you can find on this treble clef. For the purpose of this, I'm going to go with half notes. I like the 2 notes I picked. And I'm going to draw these little stems. And that is one measure completely done, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 beats, which is the perfect amount in our common measure, our common time measure, which is also 4/4 measure. Have fun, play around with it. Remember, if you go anything above this G, maybe you could do an A if you drew a line, but anything up in here will not be included on that sheet music. Anything below here will not be included on that sheet music. Do your best to write the most beautiful song that you can think of and practice your notations. If you need to go ahead and write this in, write in that face or that E, G, B, D, F, that is absolutely fine. The most important part about writing music is have fun. Bye.